Saddlemen's BR4200 trolley bag is designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in a bag that's tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting, so you can keep your most valued items protected ride after ride. As part of our trusted luggage lineup, the BR4200 offers the same sturdy construction and range of use you've come to expect from every Saddlemen bag. The BR4200 is made for long-distance riding, especially those trips that require extended off-bike use of your luggage. The added functionality of a telescoping handle and wheels makes transporting heavier loads simple. Internal structure maintains the bag's shape even when empty, and the backrest pad can be adjusted for additional comfort for the passenger or driver. The BR4200 has two spacious top-loading main compartments, and one is big enough to hold a full-face helmet and still have room for more cargo. Inside, you've got 5 internal mesh pockets, a padded laptop storage compartment, and an organizer pocket to keep smaller items separated. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system, which includes chrome sliders attached to large pull tabs that are easy to grip with or without gloves. You'll also notice the holes located at the end of each pull tab, allowing you to attach a travel lock for added security. Outside, you've got 5 external pockets, and you can expand 2 of these for even more storage capacity. On top of that, 3 exterior mesh pockets are perfect for carrying grabbable items like maps and sunglasses. When the weather gets wet, the BR4200 has a rain cover with security tether to protect your belongings from the elements. A top exterior flap can also be adjusted to carry a jacket. And when you need to carry the bag to or from your motorcycle, a telescopic handle and inline wheels makes off-the-bike toting easy. 2 mounting systems are included, a seat harness or adjustable Sissybar strap system that easily attaches the bag to your seat, luggage rack, or Sissybar. Saddlemen's luggage will keep your cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your motorcycle, and you can pick one up for around the $250 mark. The BR4200 is a spacious yet practical piece of luggage that lets you prepare for journeys of all sizes. And if you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.